Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Notion and creating the page that will host your calendar. Choose New Page, then Database, selecting Calendar or Inline Calendar to get the calendar view from the start. Create a date property immediately because Notion calendars are just databases filtered by date. Once done, add a sample entry to confirm the date property shows on the calendar. This first step locks in the structure you'll build on, so do it before adding tags or relations. You now configure properties to make the calendar useful. Add select for types, person for assignees, checkbox for done, and relation to link projects. Set the date property format and time zone so scheduling stays accurate. Use templates to autofill common entries like weekly meetings. That saves time and ensures consistency. Once configured, apply filters and sorts to show only relevant dates or priority items. Make a week view and a month view so you can switch. You finish by customizing views, adding icons, and arranging properties visible in cards so scanning is fast. Drag and drop rescheduling works once date is set. Templates and relations keep entries consistent when moved. Share the calendar with teammates and set proper permissions, editor for collaborators, comment for reviewers. Once shared, test mobile and desktop sync. If something goes wrong, check that the date property is correct and remove any filters hiding entries. That single troubleshooting step fixes most invisible event issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.